Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you guys how to do a DIY sugar wax and if it really works. I'm in a robe right now because I'm waiting for it to cool down, and then I'm gonna try it on my legs. But before I do that, here's how you make it. You're gonna need 2 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup of lemon, and a 1/4 cup of water. I'm gonna let that boil for about 7 minutes. Maybe I'll let it boil for like 9 minutes. So I suggest you let it sit out for a little bit before pouring it in the jar. Pour it in here. Uh-oh. Before I wipe that, maybe you shouldn't pour all of it because it's gonna rise. So yeah, but it should look like that. I'm just gonna move it so that I can clean that before it gets really sticky. So I will let that sit for, I'm gonna let it sit for 20 minutes. I actually let it sit for about 40 minutes. So then you want to make sure that the sugar wax is sticky and not drippy. And then you want to put it against your hair growth, if I'm not mistaken. If I made a mistake, I will leave that down in the description down below. So then here I am making like a little way so that I can peel it. Because then you peel it, I think, towards where your hair grow. I promise you guys I will have all of this down below. So I'm just rubbing it in, making sure it's nice and, you know, put in there. And then I'm going to rip it out. And there you go. So I remove my hair and look at that. Disgusting. So overall, it was pretty cool to be able to wax your own legs and make it. But it takes time. And yeah. Just takes a lot of time to do it, and then it's like messy. Oh, I recommend you probably should use a mason jar. Maybe, I don't know, it'll make a difference, but it took time for mine to cool down. I waited like probably 40 minutes. So that happened, and that's about it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will insert a before and after picture after this. So bye. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and leave your comments down below. And yeah, bye.